OnePlus 10 Pro is compared with the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. The display type of the OnePlus 10 Pro LTPO2 AMOLED and the display type of the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G Dynamic AMOLED 2X. The refresh rate of the display of the OnePlus 10 Pro 120 Hz and the refresh rate of the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G 120 Hz. The display size of the OnePlus 10 Pro 6.7 inch and the display size of the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G 6.4 inch. The screen to body ratio of the display of the OnePlus 10 Pro 90% and the screen to body ratio of the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G 85.3%. The resolution of the display of the OnePlus 10 Pro 1440 by 3200 pixels and the resolution of the display of the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G 1080 by 2400 pixels. The PPI density of the OnePlus 10 Pro 525 and the PPI density of the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G 411. The operating system of the OnePlus 10 Pro Android 12.1, Color OS 12.1 and the operating system of the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G Android 12 One UI 4. The card slot is not available of the OnePlus 10 Pro. In the card slot is also not available of the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. The internal memory of the OnePlus 10 Pro 128GB and 256GB. And the internal memory of the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G 128GB and 256GB. The main camera of the OnePlus 10 Pro are triple camera, 48 megapixel wide camera, 8 megapixel telephoto camera and 50 megapixel ultra wide camera. And the main camera of the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G triple camera, 12 megapixel wide camera, 8 megapixel telephoto camera and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. The video of the main camera of the OnePlus 10 Pro 8K into 30 fps, 4K into 30 60 120 fps, 1080p into 30 60 240 fps auto HDR video EIS. The video of the main camera of the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G 4K into 30 and 60 fps, 1080p into 30 60 240 fps, 720 into 960 fps, HDR10 plus video EIS. The selfie camera of the OnePlus 10 Pro is a single camera, 32 megapixel wide camera. And the selfie camera of the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G is a single camera, that's 2 megapixel wide camera. The video of the selfie camera of the OnePlus 10 Pro 1080p into 30 fps video EIS. The video of the selfie camera of the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G 4K into 30 and 60 fps, 1080p into 30 and 60 fps video EIS. The sound of the OnePlus 10 Pro is available with the stereo speaker. The sound of the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G is a stereo speaker. The 3.5mm jack is not available of the OnePlus 10 Pro. And the 3.5mm jack is also not available of the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. The Wi-Fi of the OnePlus 10 Pro Wi-Fi 802.11 and the Wi-Fi of the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G Wi-Fi 802.11. The Bluetooth of the OnePlus 10 Pro 5.282dp and the Bluetooth of the Galaxy S21 FE 5G 5.082dp. The USB of the OnePlus 10 Pro USB Type-C 3.1 and the USB of the Galaxy S21 FE 5G USB Type-C USB on the go. The battery type of the OnePlus 10 Pro 5000 non-removable battery and the battery type of the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G 4500 non-removable battery. Fast charging of the battery of the OnePlus 10 Pro 80W and the fast charging of the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G of the battery 25W. The reverse wireless charging of a battery of the OnePlus 10 Pro and the reverse wireless charging of the battery of the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. The SIM of the OnePlus 10 Pro dual SIM, nano SIM and dual standby. And the SIM of the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G are single SIM and dual SIM. The 5G technology are available of the OnePlus 10 Pro. And the 5G technology also available of the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. The launch date was announced the OnePlus 10 Pro 11 January 2022. And the launch date was also announced the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G 4 January 2022. There are a different prices are available of the both smartphones. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget subscribe our channel, like and share the video. If watching more video about smartphone and tablet, so please check the description. Or any question about smartphone and tablet, so please give the comment in. I will try to reply.